All right, let's talk about an important concept in understanding blood pressure. This is mean arterial pressure, or MAP. MAP measures the average pressure in your arteries, and it's not just about numbers, it plays a vital role in assessing the blood flow in your organs. Think of it as a window into your body's cardiovascular health. It gives us a clearer picture of blood flow than a single blood pressure reading ever could. So, why is this crucial? Well, it's all about ensuring that your organs get the oxygen and nutrients they need to function properly. Now, when it comes to the number, a normal map falls between 70 and 100. In critical care settings, MAP becomes even more important. It's a tool to understand to manage patients' perfusion, making sure their organs get the blood flow they need. When MAP drops to too low, it's a sign of inadequate blood flow. On the other hand, a high MAP can strain the heart and arteries and could lead to other health conditions, which will go on later on. So, why does this all matter? Because MAP is a crucial indicator of your overall cardiovascular health. Maintaining a healthier MAP ranges is essential for ensuring your organs, again, to function properly. And understanding MAP isn't just crucial for the exam, it's crucial for when you're practicing in the future. And you will have to calculate the map on the Naplex. Actually, let me correct that. You may have to. I would highly recommend memorizing the formula, which will be on the next slide. But they could give you a blood pressure and ask you what is the mean arterial pressure in this patient. So let's try an example. As you can see here, the formula for MAP is going to be 2 multiplied by the DBP plus SBP, all divided by 3. So now it's your turn. Pause this video and let's calculate the map of a blood pressure of 102 over 70. Let's give it a try. So hopefully you had no issues solving that. You'll get 80.66, which could be rounded to 81.